Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to the session. It's me, Alekia. Today we are going to discuss about list of presidents who served as presidents in India. It is the most important topic in general knowledge. It is useful for the students and also in the competitive exam preparation. We can say president is the supreme commander of Indian armed forces and he is also referred as the first citizen of India. Through this session, let's discuss about all the presidents of India from independence. First president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He served as president from 26th January 1950 to 13th May 1962. He was born on 3rd December 1884 and died on 28 February 1963. He was awarded nation's highest civilian award, that is Bharata Ratna, in 1962, and we can say he was the only president who served as the president of India for 12 years. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of India. He served as president of India from 13th May 1962 to 13 May 1967. He was born on 5th September 1888 and died on 17th April 1975. The birth date of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, that is on 5th September, Teachers' Day, is celebrated. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was awarded with Bharata Ratna in 1954 and Templeton Prize in 1975. Third President of India was Zakir Hussain Khan. He served as President of India from 13th May 1967 to 3rd May 1969. He was born on 8th February 1897 and died on 3rd May 1969. Zakir Hussain Khan is the first president who died in the president post, that is, before completing the term of president, he died. So, V.V. Giri, the vice president of India, became the acting president from 3rd May 1969 to 20 July 1969, and then Chief Justice of Supreme Court Muhammad Hidayatullah became the acting president from 20 July 1969 to 24 August 1969. Fourth President of India was Varahagiri Venkatagiri, popularly known as V.V. Giri. He served as the President of India from 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. He was born on 10th August 1894 and died on 24th June 1980. He was awarded with Bharata Ratna in 1975. Fifth President of India was Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. He served as President of India from 24 August 1974 to 11 February 1977. He was born on 13 May 1905 and died on 11 February 1977. He was the second president who died in the post of president. At that moment, B.D. Jetty, who was the vice president at that time and he was the fifth vice president of India, was made as the acting president from 11 February 1977 to 25th July 1977. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the sixth president of India. He served as president of India from 25th July 1977 to 25th July 1982. He was born on 19th May 1913 and died on 1st June 1996. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the first CM of Andhra Pradesh. 7th President of India was Jail Singh. He served as President of India from 25 July 1982 to 25 July 1987. He was born on 5th May 1916 and died on 25th December 1994. Ramaswamy Venkataraman was the 8th President of India. He served as President of India from 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. He was born on 4th December 1910 and died on 27th January 2009. 9th President of India was Shankar Dayal Sharma. He served as President of India from 25th July 1992 to 25th July 1997. He was born on 19th August 1918 and died on 26th December 1999. 10th President of India was K.R. Narayanan. He served as President of India from 25th July 1997 to 25th July 2002. He was born on 4th February 1921 and died on 9th November 2005. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. He served as President of India from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. He was born on 15th October 1931 and died on 27th July 2015. He came to be known as Missile Man of India. The most important bit, Abdul Kalam came to be known as Missile Man of India, and he was the first scientist who was in the post of President. He was also awarded with Bharata Ratna in 1997. 12th President of India was Pratibha Patil. We can also say she was the first woman President of India. In examination, there may be a question like who is the first woman President of India or who is the first woman Prime Minister of India. So remember, first woman President of India was Pratibha Patil, and she served as President of India from 25th July 2007 to 25th July 2012. She was born on 19th December 1934. 13th President of India was Pranab Mukherjee. He served as President of India from 25th July 2012 to 25th July 2017. He was born on 11th December 1935. He was awarded with Best Parliamentary Award in 1997 and also Padma Vibhushan in 2008. Present President of India was Ramnath Kovind. He was the 14th President of India. He was elected as President of India on 25th July 2017. He was born on 1st October 1945. In this video session, I have given all the list who served as Presidents of India, and in the next video sessions, we can know about the list of Prime Ministers, Governors, Chief Ministers and many more through this video sessions.